உணவேனும் மருந்தாக இருந்தோமே சிறந்து மெதுவாக மறந்தோமே மருந்தேனம் விருந்து இலையோடு சுடுசோறு படும்போது நார்ச்சத்து செயற்கை இலை போட்டு நன்றாகினோம் கொதிக்காத காய் தின்று கிளி பூனை தெம்பா.
Good morning, friends. This is Raman calling you from Bangalore. I am now 74 years old. Exactly 10 years ago, when I was 64, I underwent a heart bypass surgery. So, on this World Heart Day, I extend my heartiest greetings to you all. I just want to tell you how one takes care of one's heart. I think having undergone a heart bypass surgery, I am eligible to talk about this subject. I think three things are very important for all of us to take care of our heart. One, regular exercise, a workout for at least 30 to 45 minutes every day without fail. Two, healthy food habits. Basically, avoid all the junk food and concentrate on fruits, vegetables, and all healthy food. And three, a very happy, tension-free outlook of life. I think these are the three things which will certainly take care of all of us as far as our heart is concerned. You're all quite young and you have a long way to go. And it is a big advantage that you learn about all this right at the young stage of your life, which opportunity maybe I didn't get, and hence I came to the stage of heart surgery. Thank you very much and all the very best to you. Good morning.
To give pleasure to a single heart by a single act is better than 1,000 heads bowing in prayer. A wonderful day to everyone. I would like to speak on the essence of a caring heart since today is World Heart Day. Our heart works beat by beat, second by second for 24 hours a day, never resting. Over the average lifetime, our heart beats about 2.5 billion times. Knowing that it's one of the most vital organs keeping us alive, it's important to treat it like a precious commodity it is. The number one cause of death among men and women, heart disease, claims approximately 1 billion lives per year. While the statistics are eye-opening, the good news is that simple lifestyle changes can help you avoid or even slow down heart-related problems. Making positive changes in one of the following 7 areas can have one of the biggest impacts on your heart health. They include maintaining a healthy weight, eating healthy, staying active, managing blood pressure, reducing blood sugar, quit smoking, and controlling cholesterol. The more you know about your health, the more you have to stay healthy. Once again, my heartfelt wishes on this World Heart Day. To give pleasure to a single heart by a single act.
Good morning, dear friends. I am Dr. Fatima Farzana. Today is the World Heart Day. Let us take care of our heart. Globally, the incidence of heart disease is rising, and in India it is in an epidemic form. We are 3 times more vulnerable for heart attack. The situation nowadays is that old father is taking his young son to the emergency care. I wish to share some great tips to take care of your heart. First, let me talk about the food. We have to choose low fat and plant-based unprocessed foods. Next is the exercise. It must be a habit. We should make a habit of exercising more than 45 minutes a day. Third is the stress management. There are many ways where we can manage the stress. It may be in the form of a yoga or the prayer which you do daily. It should be more than 30 minutes. Fourth one is the blood pressure. The blood pressure should be checked periodically. It should be in a regular basis. If you find out the blood pressure more than 130/90, you have to be cautious and should seek for a medical help. Similarly, we have to check our serum cholesterol level. And finally is the love. People who have supportive connection with a spouse, family member and even pets have fewer incidences of heart attack. Remember, live like a poor crop farmer. It may mean strange. It is very simple. Eat what you grow. Be at peace. Be connected with people around you. This is the best way to.
Good morning. Today is World Heart Day. This is Dr. Dilshad from Tirunelveli. Taking care of our heart makes our life a gift. What can we do for a healthy heart? For a healthy heart, we must stay happy, eat healthy, maintain our weight, relax, sleep for 6 to 8 hours per night, eat healthy, exercise regularly, quit smoking, control blood pressures by taking medicines regularly and regular consultations. By following this, we can make our life a gift. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rajkumari. I'm an ophthalmologist, a retina surgeon. Cardiovascular disease takes away millions of lives every year. Unhealthy diet and lifestyle are the major contributors to this condition. Living in this unprecedented COVID era, the risk of getting a heart disease is even higher. So, what do? It's all about making wise choices in life. It's all about eating right and leading a heart healthy lifestyle. So consume a lot of leafy green vegetables, beans, healthy fats, walnuts, and make sure you do regular workouts. And don't lose heart. Instead, lose cigarettes, lose junk food, and loosen up and move. With a healthy heart, the beat goes on. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mohammed Miran, General Physician at Miran Hospital, Tengasi. Today being September 29th, the World Heart Day, I am addressing you through this short voice message to emphasize the importance of a healthy heart. As we all know, heart diseases have become the leading cause of deaths all over the world. Particularly myocardial infarctions are occurring at a very younger age, and at older age, heart failure and arrhythmia has become very common. The major risk factors for heart disease are smoking, decreased physical activity, obesity, increased stress, of course the metabolic syndrome such as diabetes, hypertension and dyslipidemia. I would like to highlight that lifestyle modification play a key role in preventing most of the contributing factors of heart diseases. What are lifestyle modifications? It starts with eating a healthy diet. What is healthy diet? Healthy diet is avoiding high fat, high sugars and high salt diet and taking a balanced diet with equal amounts of carbohydrate and protein. Regular exercises is very vital. At least weekly 5 times should be done, and exercise should last at least for 30 minutes with increasing intensity over the period of time. The stress should be reduced. Stress plays a major role in younger people getting myocardial infarction. Stress should be reduced through relaxation such as yoga or meditation, etc. Of course, smoking should be avoided. Smoking, alcohol are not advisable at all to have a healthy heart. To conclude, I wish all of you a healthy heart and a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.
Our hearts work beat by beat, second by second, for 24 hours a day, never resting. Over the average lifetime, our hearts beats about 2.5 billion times. Knowing that it's one of the most vital organs keeping us alive, it's important to treat it like the precious commodity it is. The number one cause of death among women and men, heart disease, claims approximately 1 million lives per year. The good news is that simple lifestyle changes can help you avoid heart-related problems. These include maintaining a healthy weight, eating healthy, staying active, managing blood pressure, reducing blood sugar, quitting smoking, and controlling cholesterol. Make one positive change today. Check your and your family members' BMI and find out if you are in the healthy range. Eat a heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Minimize consumption of dairy products and meats. Avoid too much salt and sugars in your diet. it is recommended to have 30 minutes a day of moderate exercise. By losing weight and proper exercise, you significantly reduce your risk of diabetes, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. This day, use heart to beat cardiovascular diseases. For society, your loved ones,